Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Cape Town City 1. I'm joined by Jafta Mkhuli.
Hola, Brian.
Akimnati Prajafta. Hey, Ukraine.
I'm not on Fitisa, Brian.
not?
Yeah, I'm not.
But you lost
not?
the invincible Prajafta.
How can you be invisible?
Yes.
In soccer, there are 3 dimensions, Brian.
Yes.
Win, draw, lose.
Yes.
And it is to any team.
True.
Yeah.
Yes. So you win, draw, or lose.
Yeah, win or lose.
And congrats on the win today.
Brian, kabashiman baba Spanish.
Yes.
What's our Nardira? You know what I'm.
What does that mean, Prajafta?
Thomas Pan, Pan, Brian.
Yes.
Stale una mafulufulu, Brian.
Yeah.
Win, sharp.
Yes.
So that's how we started Renama Sandawan.
Who was your man of the match today?
It's very hard, but there's this guy from Cape Town City,
Who
are buried number 44.
Yes.
Yeah, that boy is very good, Brian.
Kaizer Chiefs are going to go top 8.
It was my wish or top 8.
Yes. Yeah.
Backline ya Chiefs.
Yeah.
This one alamabati amol. Automatically.
Backline ya Chiefs.
Yes. Chiefs. Yeah. So but let them hire a good coach.
Yes.
By a quality.
Yes.
Maybe.
Next season.
But finally more than 7 years. But we are building a foundation. So a foundation. Yes. Foundation.
Yes.
We are every season.
For 7 years.
Yes. Because they're always firing the coaches.
Yes.
So, but not today, Brian. VIP.
Yes.
Always Regalia Sundowns.
Yes.
So, today, we can Sundowns. If it's a season, you are getting Brian.
VIP.
Yeah. Papa Wawa. Kila stress no.
Wawa yena.
Agasa toek vandaag.
No, tweka today. No tweka bajiwa.
Konkong agasa span mfowethu.
He's talking.
Man City tabayiwile tonight mfowethu.
Man City ngemphi Prajafta?
Wayitsibo lo.
Happy
Brian. Hey, igasa span Brian. Likhila. Awunataba sisineri na ritole warishile usoka wajiwa Brian. Ritabona baba badusipoko ba ombombela kone. Ombombela Pirates. Gaina like Brian.
Yes.
Ritabanisa pula.
Yeah.
Ge kwa ropela mpogo Brian.
Yeah.
O fedile ka mapagani.
O ka ba shapa bokae?
1-0 fan.
Thank you.